Hello there, in this quick video I will show you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. So let's get started real quick. Alright, first of all, let's just check this PDF. Okay, if we go to the properties of this PDF, that we can see the size is 25.9 MB. So we need to compress this PDF into a smaller size without losing any quality. So for that you need to go to this website called I love PDF. Alright, after that you need to select the compress PDF, and from here you need to select the PDF file from your computer. Here you can see this is my PDF file. I will go with open. And if you have pictures in your PDF, then I will recommend you to go with this option, recommended compression. If you have only text in your PDF, then go with extreme compression, otherwise go with recommend compression. Alright, after that just tap on the compress PDF and it will take some time to upload the file into their website, and then it will start compressing. So let's wait for that. Alright, as you can see the file has been compressed, and now I will save the file into the desktop. Let's save it. As you can see, here is my file after compression. So let's go to the properties, and as you can see it has been compressed like 4 MB. So previously it was 26 and now it is 21, as because there are too many pictures in this slide or PDF. Let's say you have less pictures, then you can go with extreme compression, and let's compress and see the file size. So as you can see, after extreme compression the file size is 14.3. so that is how you can make your PDF smaller in size. So that is for today. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Thank you so much.